What's up, man? You know what it is. My name is Percy Mescuddy. People call me Zosh, and I pledge allegiance to the bag. Welcome back, y'all. Today's like day 6 or 7. Fred up. Let's get it, Fred. What? Fred got a nail in his tire.
Yo, bumbleclot.
But other than that, today's the day we fix up Christina. I got some energy this morning, man. I woke up feeling lonely as hell. Nah, I'm just playing. I woke up feeling great. I woke up feeling like I ain't got no 401k. I make minimum wage comparing YouTube to a regular job. I feel amazing. Today's agenda: drop the gearbox. Put on. Hold on, where that? Where that? Don't hide from me, girl. Don't you hide from me, girl. Come here, girl. Yeah. Put on this high temp multi-vehicle grease on the input shaft and the throb bearing. Then put the gearbox back on and go rip this old girl. I ain't like that noise, that bro, the noise. I'll insert a video clip from yesterday. I should insert into yesterday's vlog, but I didn't. Sue me. Get off my nuts. But before I do all that, it's time for me to I know this is not gonna make a lot of sense to you guys, but hey, at the Zosh channel, nothing ever makes sense. Super facts! I went ahead and removed the axle on this side, the suspension components, and for the passenger side, I just got far enough to, well, I gotta remove the lower ball joint, axle socket, axle nut, my bad, and remove the axle, but I'm waiting on my big boy Milwaukee to charge up. And then yeah, I'm probably not gonna film most of this stuff because I mean, y'all seen me drop this gearbox how many times in the past 2-3 months now? Yeah, boring content, I know. But hey, content is content. And over here at the Zosh channel, we pledging allegiance. Yeah, I'm gonna keep saying it till y'all follow on board. You know what I mean? I'm trying to increase my work ethic so I can have a CTR and a house and a fan base. And you know, I'm trying to make it. I'm trying to give, you know, young black kids inspiration that they can too be the TJ Hunts of their generation, or the Adam LZs, or, you know, all the other big YouTube people. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it. I hope we all know that. We gonna make it, baby. But before we can make it, we gotta dance. Nah, I'm just playing. I ain't gonna dance again. I might. Nah, I ain't. The homie Fred and Chris Moog popping through again. They'll come kick it with you. Well, Fred actually gonna hold up the gearbox because, you know, Fred a big 6'5", 100 pound up. In life, a wise man once told me. Actually, he ain't tell me nothing. I actually read it. In life, you either crank that soldier boy, or it cranks you. And ever since then, well, don't you look at that? My racist neighbor done made it out the hood. One day that'll be me. That boy Fred pulled up. Chris Moo in the flesh. Yeah. Fred about to take me for a little pool in this slow ass. That big got torque still. That big got torque still, dog. Say, ooh. Alright, it's time to drop the old gearbox, bruh. God dang.
You ain't drop the shit yet.
Okay, she's all taken care of and done. Time to drop on all fours and get her out of here. Get her out of here, playboy. Get her out of here. Car is done. Alright, turn this shit on. Turn it on. No more noise. Thank you, God.
You don't want to get copyrighted again, bro.
Hey Fred, bro. What I need to be fast like you, dog?
Good credit.
What about you, Chris? What do I need to be fast like you, bro?
Chris sell Molly's and
Whole ass crate of Kool-Aid Jam.
That's it. And he sell Molly and perks?
That big got liquid crack, man.
That boy Chris, bro. If y'all ain't know, that boy Chris got a YouTube channel too. So y'all want to subscribe to my dog and see some drag racing and stuff? Subscribe to the homie Chris. That boy Chris, boy. That boy Chris. Pick up some merch too. You see the stickers over there, bruh. Chris got a real race car, bruh. Race car, dog. I wish I can be this cool, bruh. One day I'll be cool.
Oh shit.
Go ahead, Will.
I can't kickflip like I used to, bro.
That
I've
big
been on like 4 kickflips in my entire life.
Chris about to lift that bitch up. Lift it up, Chris. And them boys said that. Lava.
There's a key right here, man.
Yo, that bitch moved the whole car, bro. Jesus.
Chris a wild man, bro. You know how to kickflip? Pop a kickflip, man. Damn, boy, Chris, bro.
That's a young Tony Hawk, man.
Young.
Hold on.
Duh, how?
Easy, bro. You got to kick flip. When you kick it, you got to flip it. I don't know what I'm talking about, bro. I just know on Xbox is the X
Man, I wish I
button.
knew how to skate, bro. Bro, how you do that shit so effortlessly?
Easy, bro. You press A, and then you
A and left square, bro. That's it.
Tony Hawk, man.
I wish I knew how to skate, man.
Well, this concludes the daily vlog. Make sure y'all head over to Zosh MFG.
Exhaust MFG, man.
Zosh MFG. Hey, homeboy in the lobby tried my life last night, bro.
Yeah, fact.
Hey, say again?
Something about he said the new car ass, it ain't
Yeah, I got-
laminated or something. Somebody said,
I got the nuclear, bitch. And I said it wrong. I said aminated or some shit.
Somebody said, yo, somebody
said,
said,
"Shut
yo.
the
He said, shut the fuck up. You can't even pronounce the word right. You. So that bitch was going off on Fred.
That bitch trying me, bro. I was gonna trace that IP, bro.
Yo.
I was gonna pull up on that,
These
bitch.
Call of Duty lobbies are back, huh?
I
Oh, they
guess
back.
so.
Oh, they back. I was gonna cut in and I'm from DDoS and
Yo, fast.
One day I'll be like these fast guys. Dog. I'm trying to edit this video. Final Cut's acting real slow, like super slow. So I'm like, all right, let me restart the computer. It's doing a software update, dog. I'm trying to daily upload, dog. My own computer stopped me from chasing this daily upload bag. And I was almost done with the video. It's a good video, too. Man, I'm sad and mad and hungry. What are we eating for dinner? Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yo, we back in this thing. We back in this thing. I ain't gonna make it, dog. It's already 11:15. My Mac's freezing. I can't, bro. I don't know what's going on. I was so close. My daily upload streak is coming to an end. I'm so sad, dog. I'm so sad, bro. I was 5 days good. I was daily uploading, bro. I put my mind to something and I did it. And guess what? My computer screwed me. But I screwed myself somehow. I imported the footage and then the footage was somewhat corrupt, so I had to... It was a long story. That's when my Final Cut kept acting stupid. So I deleted that whole entire project and re-edited this entire vlog that you just watched or currently watching right now. And it's 12:43 in the morning, Tuesday. I was supposed to upload Monday, but now you guys watching Monday's video on a Tuesday. So, yeah. Bro, I'm just so disappointed because I was doing so good, bro. I had daily videos. I was filming the same day, editing the same day, and uploading all in the same day, dog, for days straight. Ain't nobody doing that that's making full content like that, bro. I'm the GOAT, dog. The GOAT. Sure, you can daily upload, but you gotta do it to where like you have videos already scheduled to go. I don't never have videos scheduled to go. I just be cooling. But if you actually stayed to watch the end of this video, I have a surprise for you. A giveaway, actually. Pay attention. Hybrid Racing is having a 7-day sale, my G. Starts Monday the 23rd and ends on the 30th. That's from Monday to Monday. 7 days. Parts are going to be up to 40% off. Yeah, you will qualify for free shipping if you spend over $400 or $401. You qualify for free shipping. Now the giveaway, I will be at Hybrid Racing Black Friday through Saturday or Sunday. We're still working out the days, but we're gonna be doing giveaways, like big giveaways, dog. Like winning a K-swap package, shifter and cables giveaway. So yeah, it's a real deal, son. If all that interests you, please click the first link down in the description box below. That's the breakdown of everything, how it's gonna go down and what you can win and the 40% off sale that they have going on for a week. Be sure to click the first link down below. Run that up. And that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a f. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.